With a lot of content available around for the student, it becomes very difficult for the teachers to pinpoint to what content they are supposed to give in the classroom. Where should they start their journey of teaching to the students? Every day it becomes a big task because students come equipped with enough knowledge to this classroom. It becomes even more difficult if the students are a social media partners. Then how are we going to solve this? How are we going to turn the energy of the students with the social media campaigns and social media concepts in mind? For that, I think there is one particular perfect solution, that is using flipped classroom methods of teaching and how we as teachers can benefit using these methods. Hi, I am Dr. Padmavati Tungaturti from Teachconnect. Recently, when I was in a teacher mentoring in a school, for the teachers, I conduct mentoring session. Then I have understood that the teachers are struggling to find a solution to see that they put in the lesson plan into the minds of the student. The learning outcomes are getting diluted because the students are posing so many questions in the classroom. Then, what's the solution? One solution is always there, that is flipped classroom method. That is the instructional material which the teacher is showing, giving, and making the students get an experience has to be sent home as a homework. For example, if a teacher is conducting a mathematics algebra class, therefore she can as well give Khan Academy video to the student as homework. One particular topic with one point, not to watch too many, because students tend to get confused with the methods of teaching and analyzing part has to be done in the classroom. Or the teachers can as well share the TED Ed videos to introduce new topics. Then the students come to the classroom with a new hook. Therefore, then the topic of discussion can be brought forward. Then you can have, for social studies, YouTube documentaries work wonders. There is nothing like confining into a small syllabus system set wherein the teachers can allow the students to explore on the complete video and then they can work on what is required for the class. We cannot make such a video, then we can as well take YouTube documentaries. If a teacher is able to upload her lectures in the Google Classroom, that's the best tool for the student, then the students will align the learning of the classroom via Google Classroom. That means already heads up, they have enough information. All this can be done because the students are well versed these days to comprehend the content which is being given out on YouTube as well as on social media platform. Next, the e-books can be shared. There is one website, Pocket. There the teachers can share e-books from them and the articles also can be shared from this website, Pocket. It is something where you all should watch as teachers as to what is that content which we can share to the students to visit, to learn, to think about it. Then we can move from lower order thinking skill to higher order thinking skill, which is recommended these days as per the National Education Policy.